Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. As you can see, we do have BornPretty's acrylic nail kit, and here I'm just showing you the pamphlet. It's just a quick look at the pamphlet of what comes inside of the box, or how to use the acrylic and all that good stuff. It just give you like instructions and all that stuff. And here we also have some brushes. Some are acrylic brushes, and I believe some is like nail art brushes. And here we do have some forms, and then we do have some nail forms. And we also get a dapping dish along with this nail file. I wouldn't even call it a nail file. It's like super thin. I would say it's more like an emery board. I will not use that. Also, we do get some acrylic. This is a 60 ml bottle, and it does come sealed, which I do like. It does not have like an odor to it. You know how some acrylic bottles, monomer has like odor to it once you even get it out of the box. So here I am just showing you the acrylic that you do get inside of this kit. We have clear, pink, and white. And here I'm just showing you what the powder looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull some monomer inside of my dapping dish, and I will go ahead and do some swatches. I'm not good at acrylic just as yet. I will be practicing my acrylics, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the acrylic and what they look like on paper. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my tips. I am using some extra 2XL square, and I did glue them with BornPretty 8-in-1 nail glue. And I also do have a discount code if you are interested in any of the BornPretty products that I use in the video today. And now I'm just going to go ahead and file these to get a rough patch on top. Okay, so I went ahead and did cut my nails down to this length. I didn't want it to be too long. I thought this would be like short, cute, and more intimate. So we're going to go ahead and do some acrylic on these babies. And if you hear a bell, that is my dog's bell. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do some acrylic on these babies. And yeah, so we are going to be using BornPretty. We're going to be using the pink acrylic, and we're also going to use their monomer as well. I'm going to be using my size 12 brush. I know it's a little messed up, but this is my favorite brush. I got this off of eBay. This is when I first started doing nails, and I had her ever since. And I had to cut her down because she kept hitting the phone when I would go like this, so I had to kind of chop her off a little bit. But this is my favorite brush, and she is a size 12. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So let's see here. We're going to see how good this polymerized. I'm just getting the bubbles out of my brush. All right, so this is how she is looking, and she takes a while to polymerize, but we're going to see how she looks on the nail. Okay, she is polymerizing. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and put her on here. I'm not too good with acrylic, so I am still kind of like learning my acrylics, so please bear with me. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to walk her down a little and make sure I pull in the sides as I walk her down. Alright, so this next bead is going to be the acrylic bead. I'm sorry, the cuticle bead. Oh my god, talking about some acrylic. Oh my god, so I'm just going to push her up a little bit and just flatten her and swipe her down. So some people do the 3 bead method, and some just do it to, they just don't even do like a bead method. They just put the acrylic where it needs to be, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, she looks okay. She looks okay. She looks decent. She looks a little decent, so we're gonna roll with this one. Yeah, we're gonna roll. She has a little apex on her, so we're gonna roll with that. All right, so here is the application. I mean, she don't look too shabby. My thumb looks good though. She looks good, but the rest, I mean, it's not too bad. It's not that bad. So what I'm going to do is just going to let her dry, and then I will go ahead and file her. I will do maybe a couple of nails on camera, and the rest I will do off camera. So I went ahead and filed and buffed and everything, made it look a little more decent than what it did. If you hear a loud noise, that is my AC. It's like 115 here in Las Vegas, so can't have the AC off. So anyway, so I went ahead, like I said, I went ahead and buffed everything. And so I am going to go ahead and do the nail art. Please excuse my ashy hands, but you know how that goes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do some nail art and whatnot. I did use an inspiration picture, so I will pop that inspiration picture up on the screen. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do this nail art, you guys, and I will give my final thoughts on how I feel about BornPretty's acrylic. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and use BornPretty's base coat, and I'm going to apply that to all the nails, and I will cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to be using this color from from Beetles, and it is color B573, and I'm just going to put some on the pilot. Just putting a good amount. Alright, so I'm going to take my brush that I got off of Shein. I'm not sure what size this is, but I did get it off of Shein. I do have a video of that in my other, I will link that in my cards above if you are interested in watching that video. Was a Shein haul. So alright, so we're going to go ahead and saturate the bristles in this polish. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a diagonal line. I think that looks good, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill her in. That looks good. What you guys think? I think she looked good. All right, so I'm just going to do that to all of the nails. I think I should go ahead and cure it because I don't want to mess it up. I am prone to messing up something. See? Already. Let me go ahead and put her in before I end up messing her up. I think that looks okay. I think I'm going to work with a smaller brush. I think this would be more ideal for me, easier to work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on a second coat on that nail. Okay, this is how she is looking. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of that on the rest. I'm going to go ahead and do this on the rest of the nails. Okay, so here's how she's looking. She is cute. What you guys think? All right, so now I'm going to be using this red iguana gel. It is called Calypso, and it's so pretty. She is looking, look how gorgeous that is. So gorgeous. So I'm just gonna dig a little bit of this in here. And I'm just going to run this on. And that's how she's going to look. So I'm going to do this to all the nails. And then I will cure her for 60 seconds. Okay, this is how she is looking. She is cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use the BornPretty super top coat. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use some of BornPretty's Cuticle Oil. It is in strawberry, and she smells magnificent. I think it's so cute how they have like the little flowers inside. And I'm going to go ahead and hydrate these cuticles back, girl. Woo, they looking a hot mess. Okay, so this is how she is looking, and I would like to give my final thoughts on the BornPretty acrylic system. I would say that I like the formula. It does take a little while for it to polymerize, but I would say this is very beginner friendly. If you're into starting off with your nail journey, I would suggest, you know, you could use these acrylics, and it's very easy to work with. I'm still kind of learning how to do acrylic, and it was pretty simple for me. I like to work more on the wetter side because I am fairly new to acrylic, but other than that, I really do like this acrylic. Like I said, it is really good for if you're just starting off on your nail journey. So with that being said, if you are interested in purchasing any of the BornPretty items that I did have in this video, or the BornPretty or their acrylic system, I do have a discount code. You can use Bronziebeauty, Bronzie 15 for 15% off, and you can go on their website to apply that code. I will also leave the link in the description box down below. And on that note, you guys, please don't, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And on that, I will see you all on my next one. Until then.